The Costa Rican rainforest extends towards the Pacific coastline, showcasing a rich, natural environment. This setting emphasizes the integration of natural ecosystems with coastal environments. The rainforest's biodiversity is a key element of the region's ecological significance. A vintage Boeing 727 aircraft is uniquely integrated into the Hotel Costa Verde. The aircraft's integration highlights the unusual and creative nature of the accommodation. This innovative design transforms a retired aircraft into a functional and memorable hotel experience. The 1965 Boeing 727's exterior is repurposed into a luxury suite. This visual confirms the transformation is a real repurposing, not a CGI rendering. The transformation showcases innovative reuse of retired aircraft. The airplane suite features teak wood interiors, showcasing luxurious design elements. Hand-carved furniture enhances the suite's aesthetic, emphasizing craftsmanship and attention to detail. The suite's design integrates luxury amenities to provide a premium travel experience. The suite offers scenic views of the rainforest canopy. The suite provides views of the Pacific coast. Every window of the suite is designed to maximize the scenic views. The hotel's location allows for close encounters with local wildlife. Monkeys, toucans, and sloths represent the diverse wildlife found near the hotel. This proximity provides an immersive nature experience for hotel guests. A sunset time-lapse from an airplane wing deck showcases a unique viewing perspective. The elevated vantage point provides an unobstructed view of the setting sun. The time-lapse condenses hours of sunset into a brief, visually stunning display. A map view highlights the location of Manuel Antonio National Park. The map emphasizes the park's proximity to other attractions. Proximity to other attractions enhances the overall visitor experience.